Hey everybody, I'm Garrett Harrell, Product Manager with Summit Tractors. Today we're out here on the farm, and as you can tell behind me, we're a little past due for some mowing. Even have a tree down that we need to take care of. So this is a great opportunity to showcase some of the new attachments that we just came out with. Today we're going to be putting a rotary cutter, a dump trailer, and a grapple all to work. So let's get into it. All right, so we just brought the dump trailer around. What we're gonna do is now it's time to clean up the mess a little bit. We're gonna use our GX Grapple to pick it up, fill up the trailer. A few things about this trailer is this is the DTX 1.5 dump trailer by Summit Tractors, which is a perfect addition to any Summit tractor, especially if you already have a grapple. It's hydraulically controlled, which is perfect because our rear remotes come standard with this tractor. So when you get it full, it's 1.5 because it's 1.5 ton of capacity. You're able to use the hydraulic controls of the tractor to pick it up and dump it. You can even open the tailgate, or you can also do it manually if you have a tractor that doesn't have those remotes or just feel like doing it. Going to the grapple now, this is the GX Series Grapple. It's extremely heavy duty. It's A50 steel. It's heavy duty, but it's also lightweight enough that you're not losing your loader capacity, which enabled me to pick up some of these bigger logs and stuff that you saw in the video. What I like is these teeth on here, which when I was in there trying to grab things, if it had smooth tines right here, I wouldn't have been able to really hold on to some of those logs. So I really like that feature. And yeah, so that's the grapple and the dump trailer. Let's get to it. All right, so yesterday we had a tree down. I was a little past due for mowing, so we hooked up to the rotary cutter, attached the grapple to the front with that third function. Was able to mow as much as we could. Then we used the grapple to go in there and grab that tree and really work it and kind of break off piece by piece. Some of the parts we had to go in there with a chainsaw to cut up. We got everything loaded up into the dump trailer, moved to the edge of the woods. Now we're back out here today, hooked back up to the rotary cutter. We're gonna finish mowing where the tree was. Everything else is pretty clear. Once we get finished mowing this, we're gonna call it a day. We'll be good from there. If you're interested in purchasing any of the implements that we use today and many more, go to summittractorsattachments.com for more information. Also, tractor packages are now available online for home delivery. Go to summittractors.com for more information.